going to go through this simple algebra sum of multiplying two equations. The first equation, it's a binomial, and the second equation is a trinomial. So what's a binomial equation? A binomial equation is an equation that has two terms. So here you can see the first term is 2a and the second term is y. And this is a trinomial equation because it has three terms. The first term being 6a square, second one being 5ay, and the third is y square. So because this equation has three terms, it's called a trinomial equation. So the first step is always make sure you copy your question down correctly, especially the plus and minus, or for example multiplication and division signs, because if you don't do that right, then all your work will go in vain, because no matter how your steps are right, but your answer will always be wrong. So the very first step is to make sure you copy your question properly, make sure it's all the right signs. You see here there's a minus, there's a plus here. So once your question is copied properly, then you can go to the second step, in which here we are going to rewrite the question to make it simpler. So since this is a multiplication, we have to multiply 2a with 6a, 2a with 5ay, 2a with y square. Similarly, we have to multiply y with 6a square, y with 5ay, and y with y square. So the simple way of rewriting this is we'll take first 2a, okay, and then we will bring this bracket next to it, that is 6a square plus 5ay minus y square. Then the plus sign that's here comes here, okay, and then the y comes here, and we're going to multiply y again with the second equation like we did with 2a. So once you write your question down in this simple form, it becomes easy to do the multiplication, because you're not going to miss anything out. So let's begin. We have to multiply 2a with 6a square. So we all know 2 6s are 12, and a square by a would give you a cube. Then the plus sign comes down. We know 2 times 5 is 10. A multiplied by a would give you a square, and since there's no other y, the y comes down here. Again, your minus sign, make sure you copy it down properly here. Now you have to multiply 2a by y square, which gives you 2a y square. Plus sign, make sure you copy down properly. And now you have to multiply y again with each of the terms in this trinomial. So by multiplying y with 6a square, we get 6a square y, plus y by 5ay would give you 5ay square, and again the term, the sign minus y by y square would give you y cube. So you see in this step 3, all the multiplications have been completed, and now we have two equations complete without having any multiplication left to do. So since all the multiplication is done, now in this fourth step, we have to just rewrite this entire equation by removing the brackets. Just remove the brackets and rewrite the equation. Be careful of again your signs. Don't make a mistake. So we get 12a cubed plus 10a square y minus 2ay square plus 6a square y plus 5ay square minus y cube. Okay, so we have moved the brackets and rewritten the equation now as one equation. Okay, this would be the fifth step. Sorry. That's 5. This would become 6. And this becomes 7. Okay. So now in step 5, we have to find the like terms that are in the equation. Now what are like terms? As you can see here, I have selected the two like terms in yellow and the other set of like terms in blue. As you can see here, we have 10a square y and 6a square y. So a square y, you see the similarity. These are like terms, and so these can be added or subtracted. And here you have 2ay square, and here we have 5ay square. Again, ay square, they are like terms. So I have selected the two sets of like terms. One set is in yellow, the other set is in blue. In step 6, we have to take note of the symbols that are before the like terms. For example, before 10a square y we have a plus sign, and before 6a square y also we have a plus sign. So that tells us that we just have to do a simple addition here. 10 plus 6 would give us 16a square y. Likewise, here we have a minus sign and here we have a plus sign. So if you add 5 to minus 2, what does that give you? So let's count backwards. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 5 added to minus 2 gives you a positive 3. So we write the answer here, positive 3ay square. And again this minus y cube would just come down. Now this is your final answer, because if you will see this final equation, there are no more like terms in this equation, and so this gives you your final answer. So I hope the video is clear and you guys understood. So if there's any questions, you can leave a comment down, and if not, do like this video. If the audio is not clear, I'm sorry about that, and I'll try and make the videos more clear and more easy for you guys. So take care and see you the next time. Bye.